product I'm going to spray on here. Let this soak in a little bit. This cleans the tires and the rims, this product. Aftermarket product I bought on Amazon years back. Gets all the grime off the rims. Let her soak in there. Blast her off. Cleaning the outside of the truck. So the first thing I do is clean my wheels. Cleaning the wheels. Hopefully this camera is not at too stupid of an angle what I'm doing here, so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, that's eating away at that grime. So while that's doing that, I'm going to get on this other side here and soak the tires down. Brake dust, all the shitty pollution in this city. Alright, there we go. And this wheel's already ready to pretty much do here. Nice. It's pretty clean. Alright, this one's pretty much ready. And yeah, this thing's trying to leak again on me. Stupid Chinese fittings.